Hey everybody, hope that this finds you all doing well. It's been quite an experience the last week and a half for myself. I can't imagine how it's been for you as students. I just wanted to show you what you need to do with your very first Excel assignment. I'm going to go ahead and click on our class and then make sure that I am viewing it as a student so that you can see it as well. And so what we're going to do is, you can see I'm failing the class. How wonderful, right? Go ahead and go to your coursework, and then you should see that you have one assignment so far, March 23rd, Excel screen layout worksheet, and it is not due until Friday the 27th at noon. If you go ahead and click on that worksheet link, you will see that I've attached the worksheet, which is down here. It's a fillable PDF. If you click on that and save it to your computer, there are going to be answer boxes that you can go ahead and type in the text, and it will adjust depending on what you type in there. Be sure also to type your name at the top. You will want to save this. Again, my suggestion is always to do a save as with your initials at the end. There are a couple tutorial sites out here that you may want to reference, as well as this PowerPoint. So if I go ahead and click on the worksheet first of all, you can see what it's going to look like. And if I click in the box, I can just go ahead and type in there. Now you can see that I have numbers pointing to the different items within the spreadsheet. So all you have to do is find the numbered item, click on it, and fill in that answer. But again, I would go ahead and do a save as for that so that you're able to upload that. Let me click back here. Here is an intro PowerPoint, which I think you might find most helpful. Remember that when we start with an application, we begin looking at the screen layout and how everything works. And so here you're going to see a screen layout that's going to define for you the exact same things that we talked about in class. So it's no different, it's just being provided to you in an online format. If you have any questions about it, you can let me know. This slide just gives you a definition as to what some of these items allow you to be able to do. I do want to point out to you though that when you're working with Microsoft Excel, you notice that when we click on this second slide, it talks about the column header. So the column header is the ABCD, and then the row header is the 1, 2, 3, 4. If I were actually referring to a column, I would probably highlight this. Or if I were referring to a row, I would highlight this. So the header is the lettered area for columns and the numbered area for rows. I wanted to make sure to point that out. I'll go ahead and minimize the PowerPoint. And then also, you can go out to the link. If you click on the link, it should take you out to the GCF Learn Free Global link site. You know, this is our tutorial site that we used for Word. And if you go ahead and take a look, you can watch the little video clip if you want. You know, if you're not familiar with Excel at all, or you're very limited in your knowledge, these tutorials are going to be a lifesaver for you because you don't have an instructor in front of you. And so if you take a look at how this tutorial is laid out, you guys, it's exactly what we do when we go over things and we get started with our applications in class. So I would just encourage you to spend some time reading through this if you're not comfortable with things. Each one of your assignments, I'm going to reference some of these tutorials. And again, you don't have me directly in front of you. I'll be available to you throughout the school days. But just in case, you know, make sure that you spend some time taking a look at the tutorials. So with that, that's everything that's in this very first assignment that you need to worry about. Be sure that when you upload your assignment, so when I click on File Upload and I choose my file and I go find it, if I saved it out on my desktop, go ahead and click on the file. Let me see if I can find that one. Oh yeah, it's a PDF. I forgot, it's too late tonight. So I click on that, I click Open. And then it's going to finish uploading. I can insert it and then add the file. And you guys, once you add the file, be sure to click on the navy blue turn in button so that it has been submitted. So now that has been submitted to me. A lot of times people forget to do that. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and I hope you all